Hi, Tim from Guarantee Gutters here. We are in Lincolnwood doing an assessment for a water overflow issue. We're about to find out why these gutters are overflowing. Okay, so after looking into the gutter system, we realized that there's a low spot in the gutter, and over time the foundation settles in certain parts of the house, and there's no downspout on this side, so the water can't drain, just standing water. Downspout is over here, so we need to the solution is to reslope the gutter. Simple as that. We got to remove the brackets, lower the end where the downspout is. We got to get the water to drain towards the downspout. So that's what we're going to do here. There's a different angle shot from the roof. As you can see, the standing water, and on any rain it's just going to overflow right into this window well, get into the basement. What we're doing now is the existing supports in the gutter need to come out, and we need to either raise this end, raise the end up where the water is, or lower the end where the downspout is. So we might need to do a little bit of both. So we use a crowbar and a hammer, and we just need to take these nails out, the existing supports, take them all out, and then start raising it up. We got the supports out, it's a little loose. We got to see if we can bring it up higher to the roof line, and we took the metal out. It's a little tough to get the metal out sometimes, but this metal is called gutter apron. It protects the wood behind the gutter and prevents the wood from rotting. But one thing we did locate is, once we took the metal out, and this is probably the reason why it started coming loose, is birds nesting in the roof line. We got some birds nesting. We're going to remove that and continue the resloping process. So the wood behind the gutter was rotted. Not rotted completely, but it was soft and broken, so we had to use a strap hanger to connect the gutter to the actual roof decking. So we were able to bring this all the way up. We brought it up another 1.5 inches to get some of the low spot out. See, there's just a small amount of standing water. So that's where the reslope is at so far. We did the reslope. We were able to raise this end and lower this end a bit. Water's flowing now. We had to use strap hangers. I'm just gonna silicone them, screw heads. Make sure we got the right apron in place to protect the wood. Sometimes overflow issues is from clogged gutter. There's a lot of reasons why water overflows from a gutter, but in this case, the gutter needed to be resloped. So the foundation settled, and by the time we got to the gutter, low spot, water's overflowing right above the window well here. This is the gutter from the ground. It needed to be resloped by the chimney. It was overflowing by the window well. We removed the brackets, raised it. This end was lowered by the downspout. That's our goal, was to get the water to drain to the downspout instead of on that side by the chimney. Made sure that the roof line was waterproof properly, and refastened it with heavy duty hidden hangers, screwed them in, did additional waterproofing, and now the water is flowing towards the downspout where it needs to flow. We are good to go. If you have any questions about any overflow issues, gutter issues, give us a call. This is Guarantee Gutters, 773-685-9556. Make it a great day. Bye-bye.